Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC coupe. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG Sports package with the diamond style grille up front, AMG exterior and interior, 19-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, black MB text interior, thick gloss black center console, aluminum trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, opening up the trunk, clean set of AMG floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 44,943 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.